Looking for the real deal on solar roof panel price and how to get the best bang for your buck without all the confusing jargon? So, here's the scoop on solar roof panel price stuff you actually want to know. First off, prices usually depend on the size of your roof and how much power you want to generate. Generally, it's smart to get a few quotes from local installers because prices can vary a lot depending on where you live. Don't just pick the cheapest option. Quality matters when it comes to solar panels lasting for decades. Also, check if there are any government rebates or tax credits available. They can seriously slash your out-of-pocket costs. When shopping, look at the wattage rating of panels. Higher wattage means more power but might cost more upfront. Make sure the company offers warranties that cover both the panels and installation, because you don't want surprises later. Lastly, keep in mind that installation fees and permits can add to the total price, so ask for a full breakdown before signing anything. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar roof panel price is not researching the total cost, including hidden fees like permits or maintenance that can blow your budget if you're not careful. Another common issue is ignoring the importance of panel efficiency. Cheaper panels might save money now, but cost more in the long run because they produce less power. Also, many folks forget to check for local incentives or rebates, missing out on thousands of dollars in savings that really help with the overall solar roof panel price. The fix? Do your homework on full costs, pick efficient panels, and hunt down every available rebate before committing. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their services, making it a win-win for both sides.